is a habit I never had.
Hi guys, it's Yesa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a DIY pumpkin harvest edible arrangement for your next Halloween or Thanksgiving party. You can also gift this as a thank you gift or maybe for an office party. It's super delicious, it's super easy to make, and you don't really have to break the bank. So I'm going to show you very quickly, if you're going to have a Halloween party or if you're going to have this at a table for desserts or something like that, you might want to have a cute little Halloween themed card at the top just to make it pop a little bit more, and also some LED lights at the bottom to make it pop a little bit more, and it looks super cute for your party. If you're gonna have a Thanksgiving party, or if you want to give this as a thank you gift, you might want to have a nice little turkey related Hallmark card. I got this at the dollar store as well. You might not want to have the blue lights, you might just want to have the tea tree lights, and it's just a perfect little thank you gift that you can gift to the host of the party, or just have this again at a dessert table. Or if that's too much, you might just want it as is, and this is what it looks from the back, and it looks just super delicious and easy to make. So if you're interested in making this, please stay tuned. We're gonna need a pumpkin, a medium-sized pumpkin. I'm gonna need a lettuce head, some strawberries, and some skewers or toothpicks. We're gonna see what's best. And then some more lettuce to cover up the empty spaces. You're also gonna need a vase of your choice. I got this one at the dollar store. You're of course gonna need some candy for the bottom portion. Now for the decorative part, you're gonna need some tea tree lights, some LED lights, these are optional, and then some cards to go on the top. So is it a Halloween or is it a Thanksgiving event? Whatever, I got these at the dollar store as well. You're also gonna need some chocolate dipping candy. I got some orange as well because I wanted it to go more with the theme, the fall theme. And you're gonna need a little baggie. I forgot what these are called, but they're basically for baking purposes, and you're gonna put the orange chocolate in this bag. You're gonna put it in the microwave, and then you're gonna decorate with these. So this is very handy, believe it or not, this little piece of plastic. And you're gonna need your pumpkin carving tools. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is actually, we're gonna want to clean out our strawberries. And then we're gonna grab our pumpkin, and we're gonna grab our desired bucket, and we're just gonna trace it out to be able to cut enough so that our bucket will fit. Whew, all right, let's do this. And now we're just basically gonna cut that part. Bam. And now we're just tracing, we're just cutting around, you know, basic pumpkin carving stuff.
That is a habit I never had.
I don't have a like fondue maker or like a special chocolate maker, nothing like that. I'm just gonna use a big pot and a smaller one that will fit on top of it. So this is where we're gonna put our chocolate, but we're gonna boil water here first. Maybe about 2 cups of water. So that should be enough water to put to boil, and then we're gonna put the pan on top. Okay, so I pretty much did a good job, I think. And I'm just gonna cut a normal like rectangle or a square, or even like a happy face, like whatever you think is best for the occasion. Like if it's Thanksgiving, for example, you're probably just gonna want a square. If it's Halloween, you're probably gonna want to decorate, like actually have a face. But I don't have very many artistic skills, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a rectangle. What the clean pumpkin looks like. You're gonna put in your little bucket. Now you're gonna grab your lettuce. I'm probably gonna get rid of some edges over here. Okay, this isn't so bad. As needed. Okay, so I guess for my strawberries, I'm just gonna put a toothpick in the middle. Okay guys, now we are ready to add our chocolate into the pot. Add your chocolate. So basically what I'm going to use to place my strawberries while the chocolate dries is this foam block that I got in a package. Grab your strawberry, place it in there. See how beautiful? And just let it here to dry. But this is what they're looking like so far. Okay, and then we're gonna grab our Merkins wafers in orange to go with the theme. So basically, you're just gonna put a little bit in this bag. Okay, this is pretty much enough. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now, it may not melt at 30 seconds, but you don't want to do like 1 minute or 2 minutes right off the bat, because you will ruin the chocolate. Chocolate can burn and ruin, like you can't use it anymore. So we want to go 30 seconds, and if it's still hard, we'll do another 15 seconds, and then we keep mushing it until we think it's enough. That was 30 seconds, and this is what it looks like. It is smelted. See, it's like mushing already. But we will need to put it in for maybe 10 seconds more. That was 30 seconds. And surely it is way, way better. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the tip and we're gonna drizzle it on our strawberries. Grab some scissors, cut the tip, just a little bit. And go ahead and decorate your, oops. Why are you crying? Oh, I think maybe he wants some strawberries. Why are you crying? So first what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna grab more lettuce head. And I'm just gonna put it around to like make it look nice and, you know, fills in empty space. Okay, so I'm gonna grab these little ones. And I'm just gonna place it all around. Okay guys, so I made some more chocolate covered strawberries and I made some more of this orange chocolate, and this time I cut the tip very, very small, like I'm talking needle sized. And then we're just gonna drizzle that all over. Oh my gosh, you can tell my hands are shaking. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I am a mess. Don't be Yesa. Don't be Yesa. Okay, let's take out the rest of our strawberries. So basically this is what it looks like. If you find any empty spaces, you can fill it in with more strawberries. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab our favorite candy and our LED lights. And then grab your Halloween card and put it at the top. This is what you can take for your little Halloween party or whatever event you're having. And that is it, you guys. It's super delicious. I'm the only one that's going to be enjoying this today, but if you're sharing with your friends and family, be sure to wear some gloves or just, you know, wash your hands and stuff. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. See you next time.